Did you know the world's first murder case happened between two brothers, and God himself was the detective? Dear Cain, I've been working homicide for years, but your case haunts me. You and Abel both brought gifts to God. Your brother's lamb was accepted. Your crops weren't. I've seen that look before. The downcast face, the burning jealousy. God saw it too. He warned you straight up. Sin is crouching at your door. It wants to control you, but you must master it. But you didn't listen. You invited Abel to the field, premeditated, cold-blooded. Then came the cover-up. Where's your brother? God asked. Am I my brother's keeper? You shot back. Classic deflection. I've heard it 1,000 times. Here's what I learned from your case. Comparison kills, literally. When we feed jealousy instead of fighting it, we destroy everything we're meant to protect. Your reaction to rejection determined your entire future. You chose anger over accountability, and that choice cost you everything.